Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the under-desk elliptical exercise machine. A perfect solution for those looking to stay active while sitting, whether you're a busy office worker or a senior seeking a low-impact workout. This innovative elliptical comes fully assembled with a 2025 upgraded 80W ultra-quiet motor, offering 15 adjustable speed levels and ensuring smooth, silent operation, so you can exercise without disturbing others while working, watching TV, or reading. With its digital display and remote control, you can easily track your workout progress, including time, speed, calories burned, and distance, and adjust settings with just one click, all without bending over. The ergonomically designed non-slip massage pedals provide enhanced anti-slip and shock absorption capabilities, ensuring your feet stay secure while you exercise, and the low-impact design reduces joint stress by over 70%, making it a joint-friendly choice. Lightweight and portable, this elliptical is easy to store and move around the house, making it an ideal gift for parents and loved ones who want to stay active. Plus, with a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, you can feel confident in your purchase as FOUSAE continually optimizes their products based on user feedback. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative health and fitness solutions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.